Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. It's all about the engine out of the GTI today. We're going to disconnect the gearbox from the block, take the sump off and see what the problem is. So without further ado, let's do it. Well, as long as they're all the same, it doesn't really matter. As long as they're all the same.
I'll see if it'll crank over.
So it looks like the bottom end's stuck, doesn't it? Oh my god, the bottom end, yes. Wow. See what I mean? Wow. Yeah, bottom end's fucked though. Is that heater on? Fuck, it's cold in here. So we're going to move the engine and gearbox onto here so we can take the gearbox off a bit easier. Say when.
Right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, that's as far as that's going to go, isn't it?
Oh.
Have to turn it around. Have gearbox on this side.
Yeah, fine.
So we're just going to remove this heat shield from the back so we can get the second strap on it properly without it cutting through it and make it a bit more secure for when we have the gearbox off. So there's a few nuts down here, 1, 2. This looks like the 2 of them. About 17mm, I think. So we're just going to give some of these bolts on the gearbox a soaking so we can disconnect it. So the one's up here, top one here, one over here, and I guess there's a couple underneath. So I'm going to give them a quick soak with some WD-40, let them soak in for a bit so we don't have any problems. They should be okay, but you never know with these things.
This could be, have you got your own twice? Yeah. That's round twice now, is it?
Yeah.
I can go up onto there.
Okay.
That's better. Okay. I'd get a new one anyway. It's open to me, that.
They're very hard to get hold of. Remember on that one for the diesel? Do you?
You can try though, can't you? So I can't squeeze how my bloody fingers are so. Right, on what side is that?
So, one of those out there. This one out. This one out.
Side. Oh, Jesus. Hammer.
1 sec.
Hammer there.
A couple of clips on a pipe I need to get off here. Come off.
No, it's range road or anything.
Oh, me. Right, there you go, that's off. Don't snap it.
Well, I don't know. What can I do? I think it's because it's got a weight on it or something. Just leave it as this new one here. Right. There's no difference. Well, that's being in tight.
Try electric whizzer on it.
That's right. I don't think they'll get all right, do
It's not coming apart.
Another one then. There's weight on it. No, it's not, is there?
Don't know.
Get there and have a look.
What do you mean? Is the weight on it?
Is it sitting on the table?
It's sitting on this thing on a wooden block.
I'll take it out.
The wooden block.
Yeah. And it should drop out now itself. Hopefully. Just
Be careful, water in it.
get a lump of wood and a hammer.
Take these off.
A lump of wood and a hammer.
Must have a nut somewhere. Go on, lift it up.
Might be better that actually. Come on. Keep going. Keep going.
No more bolts anywhere, is there?
That's what I'm looking for. Keep going. There's no reason why it shouldn't come off. Get a pry bar then. Ready?
Yep.
Right. Oh, it's tipping back again, isn't it? Well, I know, just what I thought it might with a bit of weight on it there.
Came loose then a bit.
That's what it needs.
Let's go up again, then down again.
Let's see if we can try it like it's there.
Let's go down again.
If you see if I can knock it here, give us your hammer and that'll come forward. Hold the engine.
Okay. There you go. Yep. Right.
They always come with lump hammer.
Stand up.
They don't like that lump hammer.
No. Right. Okay, there we go.
I'll pull this, you pull that. Oh my god.
What the f is that? Have you ever seen that in your life?
No. Cleaning rag. Like the other one they left us. That's what jammed it. I'll bet you. You try turning that now.
Let's put the engine down, try and turn it.
What do you
No
like on it?
way. What
Hang on a minute.
The ratchet's no good. Well, I suppose it is. Go on, try and turn it.
There's a big bertha. I don't think it is that, but we don't know. Oh.
Oh my god, look at that. No shit. Oh, we don't need a new engine then, that's good.
Put it back then.
Oh,
Right,
is it stuck?
Yeah, he wants to do it. Like, we're putting new piston rings in. I don't know.
Oh, it's a big job, it not necessarily needs doing.
Oh, there's big gaps there. There it is. That's one of theirs.
I can't
We got one outside, we left one in the car outside. We got it outside. Solid, that's been there for ages.
So we go, boys and girls.
Solid tube.
Thwarted by a rag. Well, do you want to give it all a bit of a clean while it's all off, Dad, anyway?
I'd put some degreaser on it, all that stuff on it. And
He's cleaning in a bell housing.
You might go on table.
Can't see anything else.
That's the clutch. And oil in. Oh god. Now there's your oil.
Yeah. Well, we've got the gearbox off. We're going to give this a bit of a clean. It's very oily and mucky. So we're going to give the clutch plate a spray with some brake and clutch cleaner and give it a quick wipe down, I think. What's your eyes?
That's what I was looking for before, wasn't it? That would be mark. Can you turn this around a bit more?
Yeah.
Further in that now. What have we got? It's sort of dead now.
You're looking for the mark, you said.
Oh. Oh. It's dead. Use some, you could use backlift. Yeah, use yeah. Cleaner. It's clean. Inside, rest it outside, you use, oh, right.
We'll give that 10 minutes and come back to this. It's coming on. I guess we're going to end this video there. We found out the cause. The engine isn't seized, it was just a rag stuck in the gearbox. Who'd have thought it? We're going to continue cleaning up the engine and gearbox. Running a bit low on time here now, so we're going to get those cleaned up. But that is very good news. First bit of good news I think we've actually had with this car. What do you think, Dad?
Yeah.
We'll take the sump off in the next video, see what it's all like under there. It's going to be very gunky, so we're going to give all that a clean as well. But until then, thanks for watching. If you found this entertaining, drop a like, click on subscribe. You can buy us a beer or coffee. Got some sweet t-shirts and cups for sale. Check the link in the description. See you in the next video again soon. Bye bye.